Hello guys, welcome back to Mad for French Cars. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be removing a front bumper of the Peugeot 407 2-liter HDI SW. The reason I want to remove the front bumper is that because when I bought a car, as you can see here, it's been hit in a bumper in this side. I hate imperfections. I'm going to try to sort that out. I'm gonna need to remove the wing as well at some point as well. As you can see, the big gap here, the wing seems to be gone down a little bit. The bumper is not in a bad shape, but as you can see, somebody used a lot of silicone around the fog light. Fog light also doesn't work. So whatever reason is there for you to remove your front bumper, you wanna, do any work behind it or whatever, I hope this video is going to help you just to remove your front bumper, just to show you the correct way how to do it. So first thing to do, obviously pop your hood. Here we go, we're popping our hood. Right guys, so to take your front bumper off, I would say start from the top. So when you open your bonnet, pop your hood, whatever, you have 3 of these clips here, plastic clips. 2 of mine are broken, but I'm glad I have one left to show you how to do it. So what you want to do is you want to push this a little bit, put something under, and just literally pull it out. The clips looks like this, and it should be pulled out. Don't worry what's on the top here, Torx mark, whatever, it means nothing. You just need to pull them out in order not to break them and to take them out correct way. Okay, next one you're gonna have is 2 bolts here. You're gonna need a T40 Torx key to undo these bolts. You undo them anti-clockwise. Normally these bolts rust quite a bit from underneath, so it's a pure luck. If they do come out, then you can consider yourself very lucky, because 9 out of 10 times it just doesn't. Well, I guess I can consider myself very lucky. One is out. See another one. Okay, and this one is something I was talking about. It's one of those which just so rusty it doesn't want to go anywhere. Hopefully you manage and take it out. Hopefully. It's difficult to say. Well, looks like I'm twice lucky today already, because this actually came out the way it should, so that's really good. Okay, so the top is all nice and loose now, because I had 3 of those clips here. I'll show you how to remove it. These 2 are broken, I don't know, previous owner, whatever. These 2 came out nicely, so now we can carry on to other clips and bolts. Okay, so next things comes next. What we have here is we have a shield around our wheel arch. We have a plastic shield which is actually attached to the bumper in 4 places on each side. So what you want to do, you want to get yourself T27 Torx key, and you want to start from the top one. Do the top one, it's just a little bolts like that, and there's 3 underneath here. We're gonna have a look at it now, undo those ones as well. Alright, so as you can see now, I put my camera so you could see underneath. We have to remove 3 other bolts. One is here, very close to the wheel arch, just in the bottom, so that's one. Don't lose them bolts, you're gonna need them. Second one is just a tiny bit further down. Okay, and the third one is gonna be in here, not quite a top of this, I would say here. Hope you can see. Okay, that's the third one here. Okay guys, so as you can see, 3 bolts holding a shield, 1 on the side, 3 in the bottom. Alright guys, so if you have under engine tray, most probably is going to be attached by 4 little spin clips. You just need a flat screwdriver, basically twist it, and all it does, it should just pop. There you go, like this, and then it should just pop. Because remember these, that's the clips we use like that. So 4 of these, that's what your bottom here will be attached with. So remove these, and then you have another 4 screws on that side for your shield to come off your bumper. Just a little bolt on this side as well. Really sunny day today. We need to do this side as well. Okay, so bottom is all undone. Right, next thing I want to show you, I want to explain something. In here there is a clip holding a fender or wing, whatever you call it, attached to the bumper. That's thanks to this clip you have nice and even connection between these two here. But the problem is, most of people who never owned the Peugeot before struggle to take this clip out correctly, and I'm gonna show you the correct way to do it. So what I have here is I have this homemade little tool. It's basically just a long piece of metal with a little bended end, about 1 centimeter bended in the end, and then it's probably about 40-50 centimeters long, and I made a little handle here, as you can see. What I'm gonna do with this, since I'm gonna unclip that clip, let me show you how you can see your clip first. So as you have your wheel arch shield cover, what you want to do now, because all the bolts is undone, you want to pull it out a little bit through here, tiny bit like this. You're not going to break here, just be careful. So as you can see, there's my white little clip. What I want to do, I'm going to stick my tool, hold the ball all the way up to the clip. I want to stick my tool inside the hole in a clip. There you go, just like this. What you want to do now, you want to twist a clip. You want to twist it, make sure it sits nice and straight, like this. When it sits nice and straight like this, you want to remove your tool, because now your clip is ready to be pushed out. Right, so we have a bumper, we have a wing or fender. Now what you want to do, you want to push this part of the bumper a little bit towards you, because it's clipped with 3 or 4 clips on a bumper, inside of a bumper, to the bracket, plastic bracket, which holds in it nicely in place. So what you want to do here, because this one is already undone, what you want to do is, here you can see your first clip. You want to do is just lift it up a little bit like this off the thing, and you can see it's starting to gap a little bit. So just do that for a little bit. That's the way to do it without breaking your actual clips on an actual bumper. You want to do that, you want to grab maybe yourself a longer flat screwdriver, and you can actually through this hole you can prime it a little bit, so that you could remove your bumper without breaking your clips. Right, so what you can do now, you can actually, once you pull this one a little bit out, you see I haven't damaged the clip, that's why I used a screwdriver. You can actually just pull it, because the other ones are slightly stronger, most likely they're gonna hold it in place. And now what I can do, I can move it like this, and now you see the clip which I've undone. I used my tool, it was like, I'll show you now, it was standing different way. It was like this. So what I've done, and it was securing a play thing, so what I've done, I twisted to be like this, so that it would come out nicely of this hole right here. So now this side bumper, everything has been undone, while you on this side. Now the next thing to do would be to disconnect your connector here. So I hope you can see. Right, so this one is for your fog lights and stuff, for your front loom on your front bumper. Now we're gonna go to other side and do the same thing. We're gonna remove the bumper off the clip. So as you can see, like I told you before, I bought a car like this, right? It's been smashed here. Well, somebody clearly already damaged something here, and the clip is not even here. It's only secured to the bracket on a wing. So I'm gonna use the same technique. I'm gonna use the screwdriver through this side, literally try to work it up a little bit, so that I would not break the clips which are holding a bumper in place, and try to take a bumper, prime the bumper off a little bit, and then it should just come off like this, because there is nothing holding it anymore. Because some clever guy decided to take this one out, or even break it. God knows, mate, to be honest, I have no idea, guys. Oh well. Right, so both sides of my bumper is being clipped off. Top, I have undone my Torx bolts and pulled out a little plastic clips. This side the same. So what you want to do now is you want to just pull the bumper off. Like this. Right, and as you can see, that's your bumper off. So that's your job to take a bumper off done. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. I just want to have a good look now of what else is broken here, because I already see that my fog light, it's all been smashed and duct taped. I see the inside damage of a bumper. Right, well, looks like it's missing quite a few things as well. Okay, I'm not impressed. We'll see what else has been damaged.